How to get Windows the 10th of May 2019 update on your PC as soon as possible. The May 2019 update for Windows 10 has finally arrived. And these are the steps to get it immediately. Assuming there aren't any major last-minute bugs. Microsoft is expected to start rolling out the Windows the 10th of May 2019 update, version 1903, on May 21, 2019. This is the 7th feature update available for compatible devices that delivers a slew of improvements and several new features to enhance the overall experience. While this new version won't significantly change the way you use Windows 10, it does introduce a list of incremental changes and new features, such as a true system light theme and reserved storage to minimize the impact of update installation. The May 2019 update also introduces Windows Sandbox to securely run untrusted apps without putting your device at risk. Recommended troubleshooting will help keep your system running smoothly by applying fixes to common problems automatically. Windows 10 home users will finally be able to pause quality updates. Search once again becomes an independent feature. And it can now search your entire device. You can now let the system adjust active hours automatically. And much more. Similar to previous releases, Windows 10 version 1903 will roll out gradually, starting with newer devices and then it'll expand more broadly. Usually, most devices will receive the update automatically within the first several weeks. But it's expected to take months before the feature update reaches everyone. However, if you're ready to move on, you can always force the upgrade manually in at least 3 different ways. In this Windows 10 guide, we walk you through the steps to download and install the May 2019 update, version 1903, on your device. Important, while the upgrade is a non-destructive process, you should always consider creating a temporary backup before clicking the install button, just in case you need to undo the changes if you run into a critical issue. The safest approach to get the May 2019 update is to wait until you get the notification that it's available for your device. However, if it's been a while and you haven't received the update, you can force your device to upgrade using Windows Update as soon as it's available. Click the Download and Install Now button under the Feature Update to Windows 10, version 1903 section. Once you complete the steps, the new version will download and install automatically, similar to the installation of a quality update, with the difference that it'll take longer to apply. If using Windows Update and your device isn't seeing the update, there could be a block that Microsoft is using because the new version's still not compatible with your hardware or software configuration. If your device is compatible with the new feature update, but you're having problems with Windows Update, you can use the Update Assistant tool to install the Windows the 10th of May 2019 update on your computer. After you complete these steps, the Update Assistant experience will download the required files, and it'll install version 1903, preserving your data, apps, and most of your settings. Using this method could take an hour or more depending on your internet connection and hardware configuration. Alternatively, you can also perform an in-place upgrade or clean installation of the Windows the 10th of May 2019 update using the Microsoft Media Creation tool. Once the tool receives the update to support the new version, you can install the feature update using these steps. Quick tip, if the option isn't selected, click the Change What to Keep link to choose the option to preserve your apps, settings, and files after the upgrade. Once you complete these steps, the Media Creation tool will proceed with the installation of Windows 10 version 1903 on your desktop, laptop, or tablet without losing your apps, settings, and personal files. If none of these methods seem to work, you should consider using the Media Creation tool to create a bootable USB flash drive, which you can use to perform a fresh installation of Windows 10 with the latest features and changes. If you need a drive for that, hit the links below. For more helpful articles, coverage, and answers to common questions about Windows 10, visit the following resources. Every one of these awesome PC accessories will enhance your everyday experience, and none cost more than $30. Whether you're a gamer or not, this is an absurdly good mouse for the price. It's ambidextrous, has a responsive sensor, a braided cable, tank-like build quality, and, yes, it has RGB lighting. Though you can turn it off if that's not your thing. These neat little speakers may only pack 2.4 W of total power. But don't let that fool you. For something so small you get a well-rounded sound and a stylish design. And they only cost $16. Use a wired mouse. You need a mouse bungee to keep your cable tidy and free of snags. You get no drag on the cable. And this one has subtle styling. A rust-resistant spring and a weighted base. All for $20. The Financial Times reports that as part of negotiations, Microsoft is now inquiring whether it can buy all of TikTok, instead of just the business in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. This new plan would include India and Europe, and excluding China. Need even more Surface Duo in your life? Check out the latest Android Central podcast, in which Daniel Rubino and Daniel Batter, double the Dans, discuss Surface Duo, Microsoft's Samsung love affair, and Project xCloud. There are many Windows 10 tablets on the market, but it's hard to sort through the rubbish. Here's our picks for the best Windows 10 tablets you can buy right now. At the top of our list is the Surface Pro X, which we think is the best due to its ARM processor, large display, and thin form factor while still packing good battery life and excellent performance. You just purchased a new PC and set it up, and now you're looking for some great apps. Look no further. These are the best apps for your new Windows 10 PC. No spam. We promise. You can unsubscribe at any time and we'll never share your details without your permission. Text source: windowcentral.com.